In this video, I will show you how to download and install Google Chrome browser on your Hisense Smart TV. Now over here, I have the Hisense Android Smart TV, but even if you have the Hisense Google TV, following the same steps, you should be able to get Google Chrome browser on any Hisense Smart TV you have. Now first things first, you want to make sure that your Hisense Smart TV is actually connected to the internet. So from the home of my Hisense Android Smart TV over here, if you scroll over to the top and come over to the settings icon at the top over here, you can literally see that my smart TV is actually connected to my mobile phone hotspot, which is actually iPhone 13 Sam. So go ahead and make sure that your Hisense Smart TV is actually connected to a Wi-Fi network or just your mobile phone hotspot. And once that is done, you want to go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. So scroll over to the app section and then go ahead and open up the Google Play Store at the top over here. If you're using the Hisense Google TV, just scroll over to your app section and you're going to see a search bar over there. Just go ahead and click on the search bar. That is basically the Google Play Store. But if you have this type of Hisense Android TV, just go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. And once the Google Play Store opens, you want to head over to the top search bar at the top of the Hisense Smart TV. So just come over to this search bar over here. If you have the Hisense Google TV, this search bar over here is actually the same as the one you will get on the app section of your Hisense Smart TV. So you just want to go over to that search bar and then go ahead and search Downloader. It's a very popular app, and even before I finish typing, you can literally see the app over here. It is called Downloader by AFTV News. So go ahead and select that particular app and then make sure you download and install this Downloader app by AFTV News on any Hisense Smart TV you have. And once the Downloader app by AFTV News has been installed into your Hisense Smart TV, you can just go ahead and open it up directly from here. Now go ahead and click on allow to give downloader access to files on your Hisense Smart TV. So just click on allow and then click on OK. Now you want to head over to this input field over here on the home page of your downloader app. Now go ahead and type the following URL: bit.ly/cc in 5 places, then TV. So basically you want to go ahead and type the following URL: bit.ly/cc in 5 places, then TV. Now once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on the enter button at the bottom over here and then click on go. Now this will automatically redirect you to the website where you can actually get the APK version of the Google Chrome browser. Now from here, what you just want to do is to scroll down just like so until you get to the download button at the bottom over here. So go ahead and click on this button over here. Now automatically the Google Chrome browser APK will start downloading into our Hisense Smart TV. And once the app is done downloading, it will automatically start installing itself into your Hisense Smart TV. If you encounter any error like piercing error when trying to install the Google Chrome browser, you can simply come back to this particular page and try downloading any of the previous version of the Google Chrome browser from this version list over here. And once the app is done downloading, it will automatically start installing itself into your Hisense Smart TV. So you just want to go ahead and give it a minute or two. Now at this point, you want to go ahead and give downloader the permission to install app from unknown sources into your Hisense Smart TV. In this case, you just want to scroll down to the settings icon over here, click on settings. And from here, you just want to go ahead and enable this feature for the downloader app we just downloaded and installed into our Hisense Smart TV. So you just want to scroll down to downloader over here, go ahead and enable this feature for downloader, and then you just want to go back. Now go ahead and click on the install button over here, and now you should be able to properly install the Google Chrome browser into your Hisense Smart TV without any restriction. So basically you want to scroll down and then click on the install button at the bottom over here. And finally, we have the Google Chrome browser on our Hisense Smart TV. Now you just want to go ahead and open it up directly from here. Now one thing you have to note at this particular point is the fact that because this Google Chrome browser is not specifically built to run on smart TVs, you can't comfortably control the Google Chrome browser using your Hisense Smart TV remote control. Personally, I would recommend you go ahead and connect any wired or wireless mouse to your Hisense Smart TV and then use it to control the Google Chrome browser over here on your TV. And as you can see, I can now navigate through the Google Chrome browser without any issue. So I will just go ahead and set up my account just like so. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.